Hello all. Thank you for having subscribed to your YouTube channel of Free Learning. Thank you for commenting and sharing what you have already learned from this channel. Today you're going to learn how you should stop to enter data in Excel manually. For instance, let's say you are a teacher and you're recording your students' details, maybe school, uh, class. Let's say we have something like this, student's name, and age. Maybe it is normal that everyone comes and maybe writes like international school. Let's say that is the name, and maybe P2, the name, let's say Ange, maybe 6 years old. Then there is another way of doing all this in a very quick and effective way done. You can do this like you can do it in a very efficient manner that minimizes your time you spend doing this. How do we do that? Let's uh, click here this ribbon, customize quick access toolbar. For me, I have this form because we use forms to do it, a cell embedded in a form embedded in Excel. But I'm going to show you how you can add it here because for me, I already have it. But I'm going to show you first how to add it here, then how you can use it to enter all these details in a very quick manner. Let's click here. Let's open more commands. Here you see popular commands. Then we come and add all commands. We move down. When you move down, you will see somewhere with form. We need to move down until you reach form. Scroll down. There are too many features that you need to explore, and we go step by step. We are not going to learn the entire skill, the whole skills at the same time. We go step by step for you to be able to understand them and get to be competent and using them. You will also need some exercising time for you to be familiar with them. I wouldn't want you to be overloaded and end up wasting your time on the channel without making time for revision. We are almost getting there. Form. Now you see form. You come and click. You see, you already have this on the quick access toolbar because I have told you that I have it. Once you click, for someone who doesn't have it, it will come here and you will immediately click add. Once you click add, you will click OK to make it enabled. But for me, I already have this and I will need to cancel this. Then I go back where I have it. Now I show you how to use it. You will need to select these this cell. Then after selecting, I will click form. You see it is showing me the second row of the schools that I have entered. Let's say it's the same school now. We are going to enter data quickly. Let's keep the same school, but maybe say this is P3 and say this is Keza maybe and say she is 7 years old. Then we click new to add a new entry. And you see like I did a mistake. I didn't click new to skip this data that we had here. That's why it immediately changed. Now that I clicked new, the new data that I will add will go to its separate row. Let's do it. Let's keep the international school name. Let's say P4. Let's say Peter as the name of the student. Now let's say he is 10 and we click new. Let's again say the same school. Let's say John, no, class P4 again. The name John. Now let's say he is 9 years old. We click. You can also click enter. A new data will be entered. Let's again say international school again. International school, let's say this is Lisa. Now, no, no, this is P1, then the name Lisa. And let's say she's 5. And again, I can believe that you see how quick it is other than coming and type some data here. You just have this, even if you have a list of 100 people, you will just enter them using this and you will not be worried about where the data is going. You will find everything here. Let's do the last entry. Let's say that this is Betty, maybe. Sorry. Let's say this is P6 and she's Betty, and now she's 12 years old. How easy is this? How efficient and quick is it? Did you know the skill before? How do you find it? Did you like it? Please tell me in the comment section how you think this is going to help you boost your performance, quicken your processes, and let me know the next skill you would like to learn from this platform. Please let me know in the comment section or let you know when the new video about the same skill we will highlight will be published. You actually need to learn this. Thank you. Share with your friends, like, and remember to follow us, subscribe if you haven't, for you to always be updated once you have videos out.